Once upon a time, in a cozy little town nestled between rolling hills and green fields, there lived a boy named Ben and his faithful dog, Buddy. Ben and Buddy were the best of friends, sharing many adventures together. One sunny morning, Ben and Buddy decided to head to their favorite spot in the park for some playtime. Ben grabbed his favorite red ball, and Buddy wagged his tail excitedly, knowing that fun times were ahead. As they reached the park, Ben threw the ball with all his might, and Buddy dashed after it, barking joyfully. The ball bounced off the ground, and Buddy leaped high into the air, catching it with ease. Ben laughed with delight as he watched Buddy's acrobatics. They played for hours, running and jumping, chasing the ball all around the park. Ben would throw the ball, and Buddy would retrieve it, bringing it back to Ben with a wagging tail. Suddenly, the ball rolled down a small hill and into a bush. Buddy bounded after it without hesitation, disappearing into the foliage. Ben called out anxiously, but Buddy didn't return. Worried, Ben rushed over to the bush and peered inside. To his relief, he found Buddy happily chewing on the ball, his tail wagging furiously. Ben laughed in relief and gave Buddy a pat on the head. As the sun began to set, Ben and Buddy made their way back home, tired but happy from their adventure. They walked side by side, the red ball tucked safely under Ben's arm. That night, as they curled up together in bed, Ben whispered to Buddy, "Thanks for being the best friend a boy could ask for." And Buddy licked Ben's face in response, a silent promise of friendship forever. From that day on, Ben and Buddy continued to have many more adventures together, but none were as memorable as their day of ball playtime in the park. And so, the bond between a boy and his dog grew even stronger, fueled by laughter, joy, and the simple pleasure of playing ball together.